Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Didi. Today we'll be making some slow cooked lamb. As always, full ingredients is in the description box. And to get started on our lamb, I have my lamb leg. Yeah, it was a leg of lamb that's been cleaned, and I am going to season it with some of my favorite spices. And once that was seasoned, I set it aside for about 30 minutes to an hour to allow it to marinate. And once it's done marinating, I'm going to pre-cook it in some olive oil. So once it was, pre-cooked, it was fried to my preference, how I wanted it to be. I set it aside and got started on the sauce. And so to make my sauce, I'll be using some carrots, onions, and garlic, and I'm putting it in the same oil that the lamb was pre-cooked in. I added some fresh thyme and then went in with some tomato paste. So once all these ingredients were very mixed well, I went in with my red wine. Disclaimer, the alcohol in the red wine evaporates. So at the end of this meal, you're not going to taste the alcohol. You're not even going to know that it's red wine that you used. This is just a disclaimer for you guys. So once the wine went in there, I went ahead to season my sauce with some spices. Then we added in the pre-cooked lamb. So once our lamb goes in, you're going to leave this to cook on low heat for about 2 to 3 hours or until the lamb is very soft. So what I did is I allowed it to cook for about 2 hours and 30 minutes. Then I set it aside. So it stayed overnight like this. Then the next morning, I let it stay on the fire for about 30 minutes. Then I dished it out. Look how delicious this looks, guys. I hope you get to try it. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. And I will see you guys on the next recipe video. All right, bye-bye.